Alright guys, so I want to show you a quick video of how to hand launch and land your Mavic Mini. If you're a beginner, I don't recommend you do this. Definitely learn how to fly first off of some sort of flat surface. The reason I'm making this video is it's a lot of times you want to fly in a place maybe there's sand or dirt. You don't want that getting inside your drone. So I often hand launch, and in fact I pretty much just hand launch exclusively now. Pretty easy to do. You just have to put your hand out and hold it like this, and you want to keep obviously your fingers out of the props. These will cut you. They're very thin, so just be aware of that. What I do though is I usually just hold it with my two fingers like this on the left and the right. You don't want anything on the top because that'll block the GPS and then it won't take off. And then I just hold it away from you, obviously. And then on the controller, you're going to obviously press the takeoff button and then hold down the takeoff circle until it turns green, and then the props will start up. Of course, you do that if the drone is on the ground, but you have to do this one-handed, so it's a little bit tricky. So I'll demonstrate that first, and then for the landing part, I'm going to just explain it before I show it to you because it's going to be noisy. I just put my hand out flat under the drone. It's going to raise up a little bit, and then it's going to think that's the ground. And then all you do is you hold the left stick down, you throttle it down, and it'll force the drone to come down. It'll think for a second, and then it'll pause, and then it will come all the way down. And just leave your hand right there. It'll land gently into your hand, and then the props will turn off. So that's what will happen. So let me show you both the takeoff and the landing from the hand. Go ahead and press the takeoff button. And we're going to hold down the takeoff button, or the takeoff circle. And of course you want to let go at that point. So I'll hold my hand out and you see it's going to raise up. And then I'm going to just bring the drone down slowly. And it just goes into a landing routine. You hear the controller beeping, and then it'll land in your hand, and then the props will turn off. So that's pretty much it. It takes some practice to obviously do it in case you cause the drone to crash. Try and do it on some kind of like soft surface like grass or something like that. It's a pretty tough little drone. It's probably not going to get damaged unless you are doing this over like asphalt or concrete. But that's what I do, and you could fly this in a lot more places than you could I think otherwise if you require some sort of a flat surface to take it off on the ground. So it's a little bit more advanced, and obviously if you're a beginner, I recommend you practice a lot first and be very cautious, because if you try this you may have an accident and damage your drone. So I don't recommend that for first timers. Anyway guys, I hope you found this video helpful, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one.